Check out the new Beats Fit Pro, true wireless noise-canceling earbuds designed for comfort and stability. Beats Fit Pro are equipped with secure fit wingtips that flex to fit your ear, comfortably locking in place. 3 soft silicone ear tip options make it easy to find the right size, and the fit test setup for both Apple and Android devices helps ensure proper fit for a customized acoustic seal and optimal performance. The earbuds are sweat and water resistant, and they're portable with a slim, pocket-sized charging case. They're powered by the Apple H1 chip, so iOS users can enjoy features like instant one-touch pairing, automatic switching, and hands-free Hey Siri on their iPhone or other Apple devices. Android users can use Fast Pair right out of the box, then manage settings in the Beats app where they can access additional features like one-touch pairing, customized controls, battery levels, and firmware updates. The custom acoustic platform has proprietary transducers for powerful, balanced sound and dynamic range across the frequency curve. You can easily switch between fully adaptive, active noise canceling and transparency mode to hear what's going on around you, or save battery life with both turned off in adaptive EQ mode, which fine-tunes audio to the shape of your ear and ear tip fit. Optical sensors detect when the earbuds are in ear, so music automatically pauses when you take them off and resumes playing when they're put back in. On calls, dual beamforming microphones focus on your voice for high-quality call performance, and a voice accelerometer helps remove unwanted noise. With on-ear or voice-activated controls, users can easily manage phone calls and music. Beats Fit Pro supports spatial audio with dynamic head tracking for immersive music, movies, and games. Each earbud has up to 6 hours of listening time with noise canceling on. With the charging case, you'll get 3 additional charges for a total of up to 24 hours of combined playback. Fast Fuel technology provides 1 hour of playback on a quick 5-minute charge. Inside the box, you'll find a USB-C charging cable, a quick start guide, 3 ear tip options, and a warranty card. Beats Fit Pro, true wireless noise-canceling earbuds engineered for all-day activity.